How to make Ghibli-style image for free. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it and completely for free. So first thing first, I see people are installing a lot of application in order to make Ghibli images. In my case, I personally prefer ChatGPT. So you have to first install ChatGPT in your device. Let's go ahead and see how we can do it. First of all, open up your Play Store or your App Store. At the top search bar, type in ChatGPT. Now this is the ChatGPT application that you should install in your device. This will look in your black and white color. This will be just like your web version but as an application. Now tap on install, wait for this to get completed, downloading in your device. Once done, open it. Before doing so, you have to make sure that you have an account in ChatGPT and sign into your account. Now if you don't have an account, you can also sign up or continue with your Google account. As you can see that I have already tried converting this image onto Ghibli and it is working. Let's go ahead and convert some more. For that, you have to simply tap on the picture icon just beside Ask Anything. And here you can see that it shows photos, camera, and files. If you would like to click a current picture of yours at the moment, go ahead and tap on camera. Take a quick snapshot and then upload it onto ChatGPT and simply command convert into Ghibli. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and use my existing photos. For that, you have to tap on Photos. Now, once you have selected the photo which you would like to convert onto Ghibli art, you have to command ChatGPT that please convert it into Ghibli art. Once done, tap on the send button. Now, just to give you some context, the recent account of ChatGPT that I was using in order to convert a group image into Ghibli art is not working now, and I have to switch my account onto my another ChatGPT account because I've already used it once and it was asking me to convert into Pro version if I would like to convert more images like that. So this is my second ChatGPT account. I just signed into my second ChatGPT account and simply sent a photo and commanded ChatGPT to convert it into Ghibli art. If you are also facing the same problem, then I recommend you switch your account to your second ChatGPT account and simply command ChatGPT to convert your image into Ghibli art, and it shall work completely normal in your device. Now, as you can see that this is taking a lot of time, so let's go ahead and fast forward this video a bit. And after waiting for exactly 2 minutes or so, you can see that this image has been converted onto a very cute Ghibli art. Just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. And as a person who has already done it a couple times, what I would recommend you do is, if you are trying Ghibli for the first time, go for the photos that looks completely normal. In my case, you can see that I have been using this single photo. And also make sure that the photo does not have a proper background, or else Ghibli will not convert the background well and the image will come out very messy. So once you have tried the single photo, you can opt for a group photo like I showed you in the first part of this video. And please be noted, even though ChatGPT will ask you to switch to Pro version if you would like to use this Ghibli feature, you don't have to buy a Pro version. You can do just fine with this one. In case you're having trouble loading in the image, all you have to do is wait, and if it's showing error, then you have to switch your Google account onto different ones. If it's still not working, then you can go ahead and clearing the cache of ChatGPT. For that, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, tap on Apps. Here, search for ChatGPT, then enter. Tap on your application, tap on Storage, then clear the cache. Once done, try again and this shall work. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.